Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Now I've actually looked at Bitcoin once again, and I'm looking at JASMY as well. Yesterday we saw JASMY making a little bit of a pattern right there. So what I'm gonna do is, there's something else to talk about. There's this one technical target to 2700 due to the reversal wave being to the downside right there, but it seems like on the daily we have made something else as well. And what you've made on the daily is some sort of a flag here that is about to be made, and if you look at that flag, then you take the top to the bottom right there, and you might be looking for a next technical target to come down to 2991. So yeah, slowly and slowly things are becoming clear and clear day by day. It's more clear. It's really clear that we are looking to come down there, and once we do come down to 2700, you can see that we are very just close. It's just a final leg push down here, and I think this is where you can spend some time moving sideways and pumping a little bit back up. Could be a nice buying opportunity, but I cannot really say that that's gonna be a bottom yet. For the bottom we need some few patterns that I might want to see, and you know, don't bottom fish. Maybe just don't bottom fish. If the bottom is going to happen, it's going to happen, and the only exception is that this becomes a very quick capitulation and then move back very quickly, and that's known as a V-shaped recovery. And even if that V-shape happens, at least we're going to get to know that that could potentially be the bottom. Okay, so if you see a V-shaped recovery and a capitulation, that's one pattern that I can actually talk about maybe, and I'm just going to show you very quickly what a V-shape pattern really is. V-shape, it happened in you know, COVID crash back in 2020 when COVID was on the rise and people are looking for that. So this is like a reversal bottom of the V-shape. Something like this happens, maybe something like this, you can see. Yeah, so that's a V-shape. Very quickly drop down and then boom, bullish reversal all the way to the upside. Oh yeah, and I like how they have Fed meeting as well. So expect something like this from Bitcoin by 14th of December. By 14th of December, we have a Fed meeting, by the way. So be careful. If Bitcoin drops, boom, drop. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.